Oh my gosh! Like, wow. Oh dear. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
See, I'm a bit scared. 3,
okay, yeah, I am pressing record.
2, 1.
Today we're testing some more kitchen hacks that you guys have sent us from all over the World Wide Web to see if they're good or
rubbish.
Do you want to go with the first one?
Yes, we will. Have you ever been in a situation where you have a group of hungry teenagers that all want a ham and cheese toastie at the same time?
No, but I feel like that's coming.
So I've got a hack for that.
Right.
Let's go. Say.
Oh my gosh.
Does that fit
that's
perfectly?
amazing.
Oh, that's so lucky.
And I guess you can squish it.
Right, get your ham.
Yeah.
Get your cheese. And you're just gonna slide it.
Oh, in between
there.
the slices.
Yeah. I don't know if I've got enough cheese to do the whole loaf.
Well, that's alright. It's only just you and I.
Yeah.
We can have like half a loaf.
Okay.
I think I know where this is going. Is this going to get baked and melted together?
Yeah.
But then how does it serve many people? You just pull it apart?
I guess. It's a good point.
What do you mean you
actually.
guess?
Well, yeah, they didn't show that bit. We'll end the video for them.
Yes. I can really imagine them stitching this scene into one of those like square, really nice shot videos.
I love how they always make these things look a lot easier than they actually are.
Alright, look at that. It's a little bit sorry for itself, that bit, but that's cool.
But that's just got cheese in. We actually ran out of ham, not cheese.
Alright, let's not shed a tear over it.
In the oven for 15 minutes.
15? Alright, and it's probably going to toast it somewhere where it's exposed?
Yes. Gonna be tasty. Your turn.
Hack number 2. This is hopefully a really quick one, right?
Okay, yeah.
Have you ever been in a situation where you want to impress your Italian nonna or anyone else in the world with your amazing spaghetti opening pack skills?
Yes. Opening a packet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? How would you open this?
Oh, I would just go like this.
Yes. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
This is how an Italian...
Oh, I think I know what you're gonna do. Go
What?
on, sorry.
Ready?
Yeah.
No. Okay.
Yeah, I thought
Oh! No, it's not doing it. Ah!
Hey! Oh, I wanna go.
Go on then.
You hold it tight.
No, you got just like literally whack it down. Oh my gosh! Like, wow! That was like when you closed the boot on the car the other day. You're like, all the bodies in there. Like, get down. Me and the girls and the dog were like. But yeah, there we go. That is. How cool is that?
That is cool. I like that.
Is that useful?
Yes, that's very useful.
Is it?
And I did it first time. So, if you've been in a situation where you've got like a jug of something and you want to try and pour it into something smaller.
Yeah, so like a jug of oil, yeah? So we've got a...
Jug, and I want to try and get it back in the bottle.
Yeah, I'd use a funnel.
So, you what?
Or I'd use a funnel or use a jug.
Well, so sometimes when you use a jug, you'll go like this, right? And it will spill everywhere. Yeah?
Okay.
So, you could do this instead.
What? Let me put the camera down now.
Oh, hang on, I haven't thought about this. Oh no. Right, hang on, I really need to think about this.
It all makes sense. This is what we have to part with, isn't it, Boston?
Hang on, no.
Oh, is it working?
Hang on.
There's a perfectly good spout on the other end that it's used for.
No, this is a hack where you don't use the spout.
Even Boston's looking
I
confused.
might have
He's
to
like,
just
what?
think about this a second. Oh, here we go. Ready?
The suspense is killing me. Oh, Mrs. B. I knew that wasn't good. That's gravity. Look, it's going down that way.
It's really good. Oh, yuck, now I'm covered in oil. Maybe that bit needs to be a different shape. Maybe next time.
Take it back to the sun. There's a problem with my jug. What's wrong with it? The handles just doesn't
right.
pour very well out of it. Ever in a situation where you haven't got a stand mixer? This is a new electric whisk. We don't need a stand mixer.
Woohoo!
Do you know why?
Because you're gonna use this as a stand mixer.
Yes.
Okay. How are you going to do that? That's clever.
Well, let's hope it doesn't go everywhere.
I guess you've got to figure out how many squares apart as well.
Yeah, let's go like this. Ready?
Oh, yeah, good idea. Yeah, do it this way. Yeah.
There we go. So now it's not going to move.
Just, hey.
Right.
Now,
okay.
put it like this.
Yeah.
That's clever. Right, ready?
So let's do speed 1, yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Is it? Oh, it's whipping that egg up.
Shall we go up in speed?
That's the sort of thing I'd normally say, but okay. I would say that my fear is that you might burn the motor out. That's my only fear, but it's a brand new thing, so head whisk, when I use head whisk, it sometimes gets a bit smoky. I'm like, wow. Yeah, did you smell that when I did that?
Yeah.
Woo, that's an angry whisk. He's like, what house is this?
Come on, Egg. You can do it.
That's really frustrating. It's just not getting that egg yolk, is it?
I'm not getting that side at all.
Right, so we can move it once, yeah? But if we left it for hours, it would pull through.
What if we just turn this round?
Ooh, science. It's just a little like mountain, almost like it's building its own sand dune of flour, but it's slowly falling in. It's doing it itself. It's okay.
Yeah.
Maybe get a stand mixer, but it works.
At that charred ham. And look, the cheese. You see the golden cheese?
Yeah, I can. The golden cheese.
My stomach is rumbling at this.
There you go. Oh my gosh. Look at the cheese on this side. Look at that.
That is a good hack.
Oh, okay, okay.
Look.
I feel like you should have put cheese either side of the ham.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of just gripped the ham, but then I suppose it would do it to both, wouldn't it?
It's bizarre. The outsides are crispy, but inside it's got melted cheese on bread.
Then the bread is not toasted.
No.
It's soft, but it feels like, makes it feel freshly baked.
But actually that's quite good.
But you've got a toasted crust, and it kind of gives that real nice sort of texture comparison. It's not too. I like my toast like that regularly. Do you know what I mean?
Bake it in the oven. Hack number 5. Have you ever been in a situation where you'd like to poach more than one egg at a time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was last weekend when all 3 of us wanted poached eggs and I did them one at a time.
You did. I remember that.
Yeah.
Like a little machine.
Yeah.
But there is a gadget for that we've got here in the house.
I know, but not everyone has a gadget in their house.
No.
First of all, you need to make some holes in the tops of your eggs. I don't even know how they did this. I don't want to crack the whole egg.
It's a raw.
It's a raw egg, so I just want to like make a hole in the top. I didn't think about this. Do I just crack it?
Is this legit?
I think I've done it.
There's a little bit of spillage, but that's only natural.
Oh my gosh, I didn't think it was going to be like that. Ah!
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh,
Just
no.
No, you can't save it, mate. It will just settle, won't it?
Right, so now you get a long bit of cling film.
Oh, so they put in. Oh my gosh.
See, I'm a bit scared. And I'm going to go here in the middle. Right, ready?
Okay, let me just see that.
3,
okay, yeah, I am pressing record.
2, 1. Oh no, the eggs are
No, they're coming. That's right. Yeah, that's cool. Oh my gosh, this is weird.
There we go. Right. Boom. Across. And then you twist the end.
And then twist that, isn't it? Yeah. It's like you want a goldfish at the fair or something.
Yeah. Leaking everywhere. And it's because it's going to leak all out of the pan.
Oh, that's alright, just go for it.
Yeah, but then it's going to all come out in the pan.
Oh no.
Alright, well let's just go with 2.
Let's do 2, yeah.
Do 2.
Alright. I mean that is more than one at a time, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's definitely cooking, isn't it? Look at that.
It is.
But what I'm wondering is, can we take that bit of string? Is that just egg white in the string? It looks like a really funky pair of sunglasses. We're gonna give that more time to cook through. So we'll move on to my hack, my last one, which is egg. Are you alright?
Yeah, forgot.
It involves eggs as well, so sorry.
That's alright.
Have you ever been in a situation where you're out in the wild and you want an omelette and the only thing you've got with you is a panini press?
In the wild?
Dump in some ham and cheese, a bit of pepper.
I feel like this has turned into a posh hacks video.
It is, isn't it? We're doing a lot of cooking.
Do you know what? The time it's taken to cook these two, I could have done 3 individually.
So we've turned the panini press on. This panini press is actually flat though. Can you see that? Sometimes you get ones with like the little bumps in it to give you that panini look. But a lot of the times you buy a panini now and they already have those etched in. So I'm going to put some butter down. Effectively, we're going to turn this into a roll of omelette, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, you are really.
Yeah, so if we just put this like there, just make sure it's evenly spread around. I was thinking, could I stick this in there?
Oh, it's all spilling out. It's okay.
Yeah, what will be will be.
Gosh, it's gone out the front too.
Oh dear. So anyway, going back to why I put the bamboo skewer in, basically you're supposed to cook it and roll it into like a little cigar, but if we've got the bamboo skewer set in there, you can have it on a stick. Oh dear.
What do I do?
Oh, let's just wait and see what happens.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Right, these are done.
Are they? Yeah, let me worry about this. Bloomin' stinks.
Oh.
Is it coming up?
Yeah. Oh yeah?
And
I think that's cooked.
is the skewer set in there? I can't see.
Ish.
Oh yeah, sort of. That is genuinely in there, but I'm going to let it cool for a minute. So, should we look at these?
Yes.
They definitely look like eyes.
Look, it's half set.
Ah. That'll do. That egg white is tough, isn't it?
Very awesome. Oh, look.
Yeah, look at this boiled yolk down the bottom.
Oh, this one's better.
Oh, nice. You've got a like free tone.
Oh, yeah.
You've got hard boiled. You've got all the types of egg in this bit here. It's got the runny egg at the top, a set egg, and then a proper boiled yolk.
I don't think that worked.
I'm really tempted to try a free-tiered egg, though. I've got to try this.
Go on then. Is it a mix of overcooked and undercooked?
Yeah, it's a journey. It's edible, though. It's fine.
I don't think I'll be doing that one again.
Like I say, the video I saw, it did not have the stick in here.
I think you've just created something.
This is like an egg roll in every sense. You're left with an omelette on a stick. Oh, that's amazing. And then I forget there's ham and cheese in there as well. That is really good. I don't know what else, that is amazing. I mean, I did put quite a lot of pepper in it. I think I put quite a lot, but I love pepper. It doesn't feel as like stodgy as sometimes an omelette can feel. It feels a bit lighter.
Because half of it went on the counter.
That said, favourite hack today?
Toastie.
100%. And I think we both know what the worst one was. Oh! But there are far worse. Do check out the play.